Mold. It's a very scary word for homeowners, but have no fear. Crawl Space Ninja is here. You'll start to feel more confident about your ability to prevent mold once you learn more about what causes it and what you can do about it. The two things that promote the growth of mold are darkness and humidity. In spite of the fact that mold can grow in well-lit areas, crawl spaces are a preferred habitat for all kinds of mold since they have a natural warmth from the earth and offer shelter from the home above. Why does mold grow there? And better yet, how do you prevent it? Mold spores are naturally occurring and can be found everywhere. Mold can grow on wood if it has at least 20% moisture content. How does mold find moisture? The average homeowner avoids going into their crawl space at all costs. The presence of moisture in your crawl space may seem odd in that case, but there are actually a lot of water sources for mold down there. Unfortunately, downspouts and graded areas that aren't designed properly allow water to enter. Undetected or old leaks in the crawl space could also raise the humidity levels, leaving mold behind. The cause of crawl space mold is surprising, and one of the easiest ways to avoid it is crawl space venting. In the summer months, however, these vents let in humid air. As the humid air cools inside the dark crawl space, it loses its ability to retain moisture, and the excess moisture vaporizes to form condensation and coats surfaces with a thin layer of water. The water in this process can eventually saturate wood, causing rot and mold to grow. If you're unsure which option is right for you, consider the following. When it is damp, foggy, or rainy out, do you think crawl space vents keep your house dry? If your crawl space is damp and rotting, do you think you should install a crawl space vent? During the winter, do you think crawl space vents benefit your home when there's cold air blowing in, affecting your water heater, hot water pipes, furnace, ducts, etc.? Are ants, mice, and termites kept at bay by crawl space vents? You probably already know the answers to these questions, but taking the time to study them can help you decide what you need to do to keep your home healthy. If you want expert advice on preventing mold from growing in your crawl space, reach out to us. Crawl Space Ninja, enhancing the quality of your life by improving your indoor air quality.